In this video, I'll guide you through how to download and install WhatsApp in laptop and PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, click on the Windows key and search for Microsoft Store and click on it. Once you come to the Microsoft Store, then on the search field, you need to search for WhatsApp. Once you find it, then click on it and click on Install button. Now you need to wait for a few seconds to download and install WhatsApp on your computer. Once the download and installation process is complete, then click on Open. Then WhatsApp app will open on your computer. Now click on Get Started. Now you need to link your WhatsApp account. You can go with share method or you can go with a mobile number. Let's go with the second option. So you need to click on Link with mobile number. From this drop down box, you need to choose your region and type your number and click on Next button. Now you need to open your mobile phone and open WhatsApp app. Once you open WhatsApp app on your mobile phone, then click on the third icon and select Link Device. Then click on Link a Device and choose Link with phone number instead. Now you need to copy this code and paste it here. Now you need to wait for a few seconds to register your message. Now add a device name and click on Save. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily download and install WhatsApp in laptop or PC.